everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegetarian gyoza. You don't need to give up gyoza just because you're vegetarian. Let me show you how I make my vegetarian gyoza. These are what you need. Cabbage, I have 1/4 today, Chinese chive, shiitake mushroom, garlic paste. And if you can't get this Chinese chive, you can just use regular chive and add extra garlic instead. 1 tablespoon potato starch or cornstarch, 1 tablespoon miso, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, some salt and pepper, and gyoza wrapper. Cut the bottom off just a little bit because it's dried out. Cut them in half, put them together, and then you slice it thinly. Let's put it in a large bowl. And cabbage. I'm going to chop it into about the same size with the chive. Cut the core off. Let's make strips first. Turn it and chop. Finely chopped into the bowl. Put 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Put it aside. Let it sit for 10 minutes to bring out the moisture from the vegetable. In the meantime, I'm cutting the mushroom. Cut the stem off. Like this. And stem of shiitake mushroom is very tough and chewy, so I normally don't use it, so let's throw it away. I'm going to chop them a little bigger than cabbage and chive. Make slices first and then chop. Like this, and put it into another large bowl. Cabbage and chive mixed with salt is wilted. You can see it's slightly wet. Take some and squeeze it really well to get all the extra moisture out. Like this, and let's put it in this bowl. I added all the seasoning into the vegetable. 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon potato starch or cornstarch, 1 tablespoon miso, some salt and pepper, and garlic paste. You can put as much garlic paste as you like. Today I put 2 teaspoons. Now let's knead it. Miso and potato starch work as a glue, so it kind of stays together and the vegetable filling is ready. Prepare gyoza wrapper, bowl of water, and non-stick skillet with a little bit of vegetable oil in it. Gyoza wrapper on your non-dominant hand and filling, it's about 1 tablespoon in the middle. With the edge all around the gyoza wrapper. And when I make pork gyoza, this is how I wrap. Fold it in half, and I make 5 plates here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how I wrap pork gyoza. But today, let me show you a different way to wrap it, so that you can tell which is which when you're doing both pork gyoza and vegetarian gyoza. Gyoza wrapper on your non-dominant hand. 1 tablespoon filling in the middle. With the edge, this works as a glue. Fold it like a taco and stick them together by pinching it. So it's all sealed from here to here. This flat side facing up away from you. Bring these two together. Put a little bit of water here. Pinch to stick them together here. And using this first one, spread the oil all over the frying pan. Wrapper on your non-dominant hand. 1 tablespoon filling. Spread the edge. Fold it and close. Flat side facing up. Spread a little bit here. Bring these together. Pinch. Today I'm doing only 8 vegetarian gyoza and make it into pork gyoza by adding ground pork. But you can of course make them all into vegetarian gyoza by using bigger frying pan. Now let's cook it. The heat is still off. I'm adding a little bit of water. It's about 1/3 of the height of gyoza. Put the lid on, turn the heat on and cook it over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Cooked for 5 minutes, so let's check. Now you can see the filling inside. The gyoza wrapper became translucent. Keep cooking to cook off all the water with the lid off this time. When you start to see those brown burn around gyoza, put extra vegetable oil, just a little bit, to pan fry the bottom of the gyoza to make it nice and crispy. Turn the skillet around so the oil circulates all over the skillet. Let's sneak peek the bottom of gyoza to check the color. Yep, nice golden brown. Turn the heat off and let's serve. Take gyoza on spatula, put the serving plate on top and flip it over. Ta-da! And vegetarian gyoza is ready to go. For the dipping sauce, you can make it as complicated as you like, but my favorite dipping sauce is just soy sauce and vinegar 1:1 with a little bit of chili oil. Enjoy! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!